Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new section on Slack sidebar here. So as you can see here, I have my sidebar here. And if you want to create a new section, it is super easy. All you have to do, guys, is click the gear and the upper left hand side. And as you can see, it is right here, right across. And just simply go ahead and click on create new section. Once you do that, you can give it a name. So if I want to call this, for example, my team, for example, right? So let's say I want to call this my team. I can go ahead and I can click create, and you will see right here that there's a new section that is created, right? And you can go ahead and you can create channels under that section, and you can just do quite a lot. So that's how you can easily do it, guys. So if you want to create a new channel under it, you can easily go ahead and do that, right? And you can even move a channel under a new section that you create as well. So that's pretty much how you do it. So if I want to move this, I just simply select that and it's going to move it, or you can even favorite a new channel under that as well. So you can easily do that. So that's very easy, guys.